Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute miniature treehouse. It's super fun, easy, and perfect if you love DIY projects. Let's get started. First, I drew the design of the house on paper. This helps me plan the size and shape before working with wood. For the walls, I'm using small wooden pieces. To stick them together, I'm applying strong wood glue. Make sure to spread it evenly so everything holds properly. Once the glue dries, I use sandpaper to smooth the edges. It really makes a difference in how neat the house looks. Next, I cut each wall piece to the right size and join them together to form the house. I carefully apply strong wood glue to attach all the walls together and create the final shape of the house. After gluing everything together, this is the final result, and it looks really good now. After shaping the house, I carefully place the rooftop to complete the final look. Once the rooftop is finished, I carefully install the door and windows, and they look very natural. Now, let's prepare the tree and base. I'm using a tree trunk for the tree and plywood for the base. I attach the trunk to the base using a glue gun, which keeps it secure. To make the base look more natural, I mix some green watercolor with glue and paint it around the tree. Then I add grass made from sawdust, mixed with dark green watercolor. It looks surprisingly realistic once it's done. Next, I secure the house onto the trunk using a drill machine. This ensures it won't wobble or fall. After that, I move on to the lighting process. Adding lights inside the house gives it a cozy and magical look. For a more natural look, I added a wooden grill that I made earlier, and now I'm installing it. Next, I install the pre-made stairs to give the house a more complete and polished look. After installing the stairs, I added a long wooden grill to make the house look more natural and complete, as I wanted to cover the entire base in a single frame. Finally, I use a clear varnish to enhance the shine and protect the wood, giving it a clean and polished look. To give it a more natural look, I added some branches, and it looks really cool. And here is the final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment for more amazing DIY projects.